The message behind the ArcVision Prize is that architecture is about talent, architecture is beyond gender. Be it skyscrapers or engineering marvels, the choice is between talent and ability and not between a man and a woman. And with the ArcVision Prize, the Italcementi Group endeavours to bring about a revolution in how the building industry treats its female talent.
I think that the history of this company inspired us. This company is almost 150 years old and has clear values that are related to diversity, integrity, innovation. So I think this is a natural event within our group. We are looking forward a different world, a more sustainable world, and women will be part and protagonists of this.
The world's fifth largest cement producer, Italcementi Group, is going beyond the economics of profits and numbers. Italcementi is serious about protecting the environment, and this magnificent complex behind me is testimony to that commitment, that vision. The iLab building is the only LEED certified platinum rated building in whole of Italy and one of the few in Europe. For the Italcementi Group, innovation and sustainability are the driving mantras of their business. And the iLab, Italcementi's Research and Innovation Center, is at the heart of the group's core strategy. The iLab is concrete proof of Italcementi's green efforts.
When you're speaking about innovation, I think about innovation in concrete. Innovation in cement is related to that because the innovative cement we can make something better, but we can make something new in concrete.
Here we are concentrating all the best technology we were able to develop, the most recent technology, the most innovative products. And from iLab, we are spreading these new products all over the markets we are operating in. iLab is also a concept. I see iLab as a bridge in between the industry, the technology, the future, and nature.
This factory of knowledge engages chemists, geologists, engineers, the smartest brains in its laboratories to develop cutting-edge products that will change the course of how we build and live in our cities.
This part of laboratory, this part of the building is where there are all the chemical laboratory. You can see inside many type of instruments that we use for research, for developing new materials.
Designed by Richard Meyer, one of the masters of contemporary architecture, the iLab is like a work of art.
They're willing to spend more on the building in order to make it sustainable. Some other people don't want to do that, because frankly it costs more.
Modern design, minimalist style, and pioneering construction techniques. This iconic building sets a new benchmark for sustainable design in Europe.
When you speak about sustainability and you speak about innovation, you speak always about a higher cost. Our goal is to reduce at the minimum level the cost, but also to look at the material in all its lifetime. Not only the cost when you buy it, but the advantage that you have during the use of your materials.
The iLab saves up to 60% more energy than a traditional building of the same size. But the iLab is just the starting point. Italcementi is silently creating a green economy, where industry players are leading the change towards respecting the environment while balancing business.
We have geothermal wells, photovoltaics for solar. You have a lot of a very high level of insulation in thermal acoustic. Or you have all the best available technology today to make this building sustainable. Means consume less energy, consume less water, recycle the water, recycle the air, filter, and also the small but effective contribution was given also to by our materials.
As one of the world's leading cement manufacturers, Italcementi has in fact gone one step ahead to transform cement into a technologically advanced, sustainable material.
We tried to transform the cement in concrete, but our idea, our innovation is to move from normal concrete that you can see in the normal building to something that we can use in different way. I mean, for example, here you can see concrete that is quite normal in principle, if you're just looking about the formulation, it's nothing different from the normal concrete, but you can obtain different shape, different surface that can be adapted to different type of application, different type of architectural works. Like the other one, it's cement, is the basic materials, but in this case, the cement is used as a plastic. I mean, you can adapt all the machine that can be used for plastic materials with this type of material. This is cement obtained, cement-based material, obtained by normal plastic machine. And you can obtain by extrusion different shape. For example, you can obtain something like that. This is in cement. This cement was developed by Italcementi to the use of this cement is for special application. I mean, you can make chairs, you can make tables, you can make many things. Exactly, you are true. This product is developed just to avoid any problem about in a day like today. I mean, the water can be through in the material very easily, and you can permit the water to go down in the ground to avoid any problem about many different type of problem. But in any case, this material that can be used for road, it can be used for parking, where the water you need to flowing easily in the terrain. These are special materials that was developed for in the last years, and the use of this material usually is for external work, for some internal application. And the capacity of material is to permit the lights to pass in the materials. This is why we call highlight.
One of Italcementi's path-breaking innovations in cement is TX Active. The result of decade-long research, TX Active is a revolutionary principle of photocatalysis. TX Active reduces organic and inorganic pollutants in the air. Another plus point, buildings made with TX Active stay cleaner too.
Take a TX Active, maybe it's a little bit more costly when you apply it at the beginning, but then you reduce the cost in maintenance, you have less pollution. So these are all values that you have to put in the materials. So of course, if you make a competition on innovation, you have to be careful on cost, but also look at the lifetime of your product. We are working seriously now to reduce the use of natural raw materials and work a lot on recycled materials to make all our innovative products performant but also much more sustainable than today. So I think we will work very hardly in getting material with the maximum recycled.
And India, with its booming building industry, is a hot market for Italcementi to introduce its innovations.
We are very much focusing on emerging market. Asia is one of these areas. India, especially, we have a very strong investment plan. We want to expand there. We want to cover different areas, different regions of the market.
The world today faces the challenge of reducing poverty and social inequity and ensuring a healthy planet for our future generations. The global transition to a green economy has to start now. And Italcementi, with its innovations in sustainability, has become a catalyst towards this green goal.